I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Update your iPhone and Apple Watch to the latest OS so features match. Once done, make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on, location enabled, and you're signed into your Apple ID. These let devices discover and authenticate. Now power on the watch and unlock your iPhone, then place them side by side. Tap Start Pairing on the iPhone when prompted. Use the watch camera animation to center the viewfinder. This initiates the secure connection handshake. Once the pairing link is established, you'll choose whether to set up as new or restore from a backup. Restore if you want previous settings and app layout. Make sure you sign in with your Apple ID when prompted so activation lock and health syncing work. Next, configure wrist preference and create a passcode for security. Enable Apple Pay if desired. Allow time for apps and data to install. This can take several minutes. Keep devices close and connected until the progress completes. After sync finishes, confirm your watch shows the correct watch faces, apps, and notification settings. Then test calls, messages, Apple Pay, and health data to ensure everything is working together. If something seems off, make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is active. Sometimes waiting a few minutes resolves background sync. If pairing fails, restart both devices and retry pairing. As a last resort, erase the watch and set up again. This clears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.